Hi guys, welcome back to DX Games and More. And Drake and I today are going to go ahead and open up an Obsidian Flames booster box. That's right, 36 packs. Looking for those chase cards. Can't wait to get the Charizards in this one.
They're mine.
They are not yours, but you get your ETB to open up. All right, so let's go ahead and open this one. Got the sleeves ready and some top loaders just in case we get some of those chase cards. That gold Charizard, oof, but it's really the special illustration Charizard that I think everybody's looking for. Yeah, a special illustration rare Charizard that everybody's chasing. All right, go ahead and set this aside.
I feel like this is the lucky stack.
That's the lucky stack, you think so?
Yeah, I feel like every time we do one of these openings, it's always this side, so.
Did you check out all this pack artwork? Look at that. Dragonair, Tyranitar. Is there 4? Yeah, there's only 4. Very cool. That's some great pack artwork. Okay, let's, you're going open first?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Card. Bonsley, Dolliv, Timeful, Surskit, Mawile, Argon, Sunfist, Seismitoad, Dugtrio, Thundurus, and our basic energy.
Nice. Not bad. Good start. All right. Sandlit, Eltrick, Larvitar, Magnemite, Altaria, Mawile, Bouffalant. Ooh, sweet. That one's going in my collection. Yes, I get excited about common cards because I just love to collect my favorites. What are some of your guys' favorites? Let us know in the comments below. Rowlet and, ooh, that is a beautiful Absol EX. That's so cool. All right, Drake, on to your next one. I'm going to go ahead and sleeve up that Absol while you're doing that.
Finzen, Herdier, Rockruff, Wiglet, Gumshoes, Pupitar, Togetic, Lechonk, Smoliv, Pidgeot EX.
Nice. It's a good one. Already having some great success with this one. Oh yes, right in my collection, the Charmander. Love the artwork on this. This is actually coming out of a box set in October. This one's going to be a card in a box set, but I just love that already. Dratini, Oddish, Finzen. I love it. It's a little dolphin. How can you not like that, right? That's awesome. It's going in my collection too. Pupitar, Togekick, Volcarona, Combi, Cubchoo, and a Hollow Entei. Nice.
Alright.
So these ultra rares here will be for sale on our website next week. We cannot sell them early, so they will be available as soon as Friday of next week. It's very important. We do have these booster displays as well as ETBs, booster bundles, and single packs on pre-order right now on our website, dxgamesllc.com. They'll be shipped out next week so that you guys can get them as soon as Friday. Buzzle, there's an awesome Eevee in this set that I want to. Just a basic common Eevee. Smoliv, Varoom, Seismitoad, Arboliva, Team Stargrunt, Rockruff, Varoom. Ooh, is that a illustration? Yeah, that's a full art Revorum EX. How cool is that? I'm going to be adding to my binder just by all the common cards that we're getting today.
Have any of you opened anything yet? Like any of this set yet?
Pre-release? You guys doing any pre-release ones? I'll try it again.
Pre-release boxes. Any pre-release boxes yet? Like from your local card store or anything? Let us know your polls.
Ooh, Togekiss.
Do any of you
That's
have
gonna
the chase card yet?
I miss Fairy Energy. That would be so... Togekiss was way better as a Fairy type.
Fairy type is overall a pretty good one.
Dragonite artwork right here. This is going to be a great pull. I can feel it already. Alright, we got Rhyme. We got Rockruff, Wiglet. Alright, so if you guys have not seen these actual creatures in real life, at the aquarium in, where's that at? Where's the aquarium? In Belle Isle, Michigan. They actually have these little eels. They're called sand eels, I believe. And they actually have them at the aquarium. They're so cool. Shuckle, Poltergeist, Toad Scroll, Ninetales, Timpole, Mawile, and a hollow rare Togekiss. I'll take it. I'll take it. It's alright.
I'm definitely shooting for that Charizard.
There's a lot of great artwork in this set.
Just shooting for any of the Charizards. Like, I want them all. Have any of you seen the new card yet?
The new, which new card?
The ETB card.
Oh, the promo card for the ETB?
Yeah.
The promo card for the ETB is awesome, the Charmander. I'm actually going to be opening up one of the ETBs on this channel, so definitely hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell if you want to see that opening. We'll be doing that probably tomorrow or the next day. Bisharp, Magneton, Timpole, Heatmore, Doug Trio, Houndstone, Diggersby, Barbaroach. Oh, look at the LeChonk. Look at the little chunky guy. That illustration rare. And a Sizor, that hollow rare Sizor.
Alright, Tyranitar pack artwork. We have not, I feel like we have not seen much Tyranitar pack artwork yet. So I'm hoping it has something good in it. Heatmore, Lilpup, Toxel, Chardette, Ninetales, Doug Trio, Houndstone, Crabominable, Bonsai, Bonsley, and Toxtricity.
Toxtricity is the hollow?
Did you guys know there are actually two forms of Toxtricity?
No, I didn't know that. Like in this set or just in general?
No, just in general.
Huh.
Like there's actually a blue and a yellow.
Oh, I got the Eevee. See, I told you there was a cute Eevee in this set. Part of the collection now. Toadschool, Houndour, Combee, Crabominable, King Gambit. It's like King Gambit. That's pretty cool. Oinkologne, Paldean Wooper, and another Oinkologne reverse. And look at that Vespa Queen EX illustration rare.
Terra.
Wow, that's a beautiful card. Look at the artwork on that. That is a great addition there. It's a great card. I wonder what that'll be valued at. I know right now they're trying to sell the Charizards for about $250. I think they'll go down in price. Let's hope, right?
I'm hoping they go down in price. I need to buy those. If I don't pull them.
We won't be selling the Charizard early whatsoever. So, but if we do pull one, we will likely have it for sale on our site.
I would not bet on that, honestly. Might go missing.
That's not how that works, Drake.
There seem to be like almost an excessive amount of Charizards in this set, though.
Yeah, there's a lot of Charizards, a lot more than I would.
But it's also like they brought back so many of the, minus the Repavroom, like just like we have the Dragonite and the Tyranitar and the Charizard. Those are all very like awesome. Like these two are like Tyranitar and Dragonite, pseudo legendaries. They're awesome. And then there's of course Charizard. Alright, basic fire energy, Mawile, Togedemaru, Graveyard, Lechonk, Granbull, Malamar, Paldean Clodsire, Snubbull.
Oh, that is a beautiful card. Well, don't take it off camera. Show the rest of these guys. They want to see it too. Wow. That is a gorgeous Ninetales. Any Ninetales fans out there, comment down below. That is absolutely gorgeous.
I love a lot of fire types like Entei and Ninetales and Charizard.
Well, believe it or not, Charizard is not a fire type in this set. Diglett, Rowlet, Baltoy, Finzin, Letter of Encouragement. You got any words of encouragement for the audience? Chandelure,
Keep trying.
Patrol Cat, Pokemon League Headquarters.
You never know what's going to
Bonsley,
happen.
oh, Greedent EX. I'm telling you what, guys, the hits just keep coming with this box today. These are fantastic pulls. I mean, I did not expect the pull rates on this set to be this good.
Also, words of encouragement. Even if you do not get Charizard right now, wait a couple of years.
Wait a couple of years?
Wait a couple of years.
Okay.
Maybe it'll go down in price. We played this Roblox game called Adopt Me, and it's like there's eggs in it, and if you open the egg, it's like, yeah, the thing that you pull out of it can be rare, but if you wait a couple of years and actually keep the egg, because of the unknown inside, it is so much more valuable. Ooh.
Poppy, wow.
Sitting on a Caparaja.
So that might have just taken the spot of our illustration rare for Charizard, but that's a beautiful card on Caparaja. That's really cool. So supposedly you only get so many illustration rares in one of these booster display boxes. I think the answer is 2, but who knows? Pokemon might have changed up the way they do things. Grumpig.
They've changed everything else. They might have changed it up.
Yeah, right? Toxel, Claydol, and alright.
I feel like when you're not looking for something, it comes to you, but when you're looking for something, it does not come to you.
You know, it's usually what the people say that about when you're thinking about something, yeah. Frogadier.
Trampa, Toxtricity, Graveyard, and a Darkrai.
That's a cool Darkrai. I wouldn't mind making a deck with that. Larvesta, Fungus, Pidgey, Litwick, Bell Awesome, Pokemon League Headquarters, Lunatone, Litwick again, Audino,
I don't know.
whatever. Greeda, I can read, it's okay. And Basic Energy.
Thank
Did you notice that? Doesn't have a lot of water type at all in this set, really.
you. Yeah.
I'm looking forward to the next set, though. The full art Squirtle in 151. That thing looks awesome.
Oh, I like that Houndoom though.
Or, sorry, the illustration art. Yeah, that Beartic is really cool, too.
Yeah.
So there are some water types in there. The Dolphin. I have the fins in. The Finnies in. We got one of them, but there's 2 different artworks of the Finnies in here. Togedemaru, Grevard, Lechonk, Togepi, Trevenant, Bellybolt, Flamingo, Lampet.
Oh
my gosh! Look at that. The dogs came running. Holy smokes. Gold has been pulled, as they say, right? Absolutely gorgeous. Let's get a sleeve and a top loader for this bad boy really quick. And sorry, Thunderous, you have been outshined. Another look here for you guys. Absolutely beautiful. Can't believe we picked the right box, guys. But I'm not going to lie, I've seen a lot of Charizards already from pre-release. I want to say the pull rates on these are just insane, which I mean, as Drake said, positivity. With that many pull rates, these things are going to be really low in price. I'm willing to bet this card's going to settle somewhere around the $50 to $60 range. So, but
that's still a lot.
It is expensive,
especially for young kids trying to chase Charizard. That's a lot for someone.
We got individual booster packs. Hopefully they can pull one, right? You know. Yeah. So my wife is telling me that they have an axolotl in this set, which is...
You didn't know about Paldean Wooper?
Wooper. I never really noticed that he was an axolotl, that's all.
Yeah, Wooper, period.
Ooh, Totoscrool EX. Nice pull. Man, we are getting some phenomenal pulls. We'll do a recap at the end here. I'm looking forward to posting these available for sale for our customers. I mean, that's really why we do this, guys. Not only for our own enjoyment, but we also like you guys having a chance at getting these cards.
There.
Young Goose. I got a Charmander for my wife's collection. Look at that. She collects Charmanders and Squirtles as well. Dratini, Oddish, Charcerina, Lycanroc, Probopass, Sunskirt, another Lechonk. I think he might be my favorite one in this set. Forget about Charizard. Lechonk's just awesome. Look at him playing in the mud. He's having so much fun. Palafin. All right, so you got the Dolphin. And then he evolves into Palafin. I'm just saying.
What is it?
Why? Well, he's like a fighting dolphin or something. I don't know, but I would go back to the dolphin anytime. Sorry. No offense, Palafin.
Talking about Ash's Pikachu.
Yeah.
So like, and it was like a level 120. Like it was an amazing Pikachu, honestly.
Well, it's a sweet Sharpedo. Have you seen the previews for Megalodon 2, or Meg 2? That movie looks sweet.
Kind of looks like that, honestly.
Very cool. All right. Lampent, Gloom, Bronzor, Snubble, Bronzong, Beartic. Oh, sweet. I also collect Charmeleons, and I was so stoked to see this one. He's in the snow. How cool is that?
That reminds me a lot of
Toadschool.
That one you have.
Ponard. Oh, you're talking about the Generations ones?
Yeah, you never managed to get the Charmeleon, did you?
No, Charmander I actually need to get. I have Charmeleon and Charizard. I need to get the Charmander.
I wonder what's that's valued at.
That's only like a $3 or $4 card. I just haven't ordered it.
This one. Alright, Snubble, Caspakid, Drillbur, Cubchoo, Flamingo, Bronzong, Beartic, Wishcash, Jita, and a Togekiss.
A lot of Togekiss. That's crazy how many we've gotten. Alright. Swablu, Gimlet, Tadbulb, Lechonk. Oh, that's the Tomokazu artwork. Awesome. Vengeful, Scarmony, Sharpedo, Ortega, Shuckle. Ooh, Miraidon EX.
Did I have that in the last?
It does look like it. Very similar to the Paldea Evolved one. If it's not the same one, it might. Honestly, I have to look at the artwork, but it looks almost identical.
Alright. Wooper. There's your Axolotl. Baltoy. Carvana. Lechonk, Wishcash, Kangaskhan, Camerupt, Buzzle, Baltoy, and a Thundurus. Yeah, I think that one's from another set.
Oh. Capskid, Delbur, Cubchoo. Look at these sneezing. Spunk, Excadrill, Pidgeotto, Dragonair, Bonsweet, Zigzagoon, and Darkrai.
Spoink, Dynamo, Surskit, Dromuka, Charmeleon. You want that one? Excadrill, Pidgeotto, Dragonair, Floatzel, and a Palafin.
All right. We might have gotten all of our pulls. Let's see if there's. You got 2 packs left, and I got these 3. So, Barbaroach, Wiglet, Swivet, Palatoad, Espeon, Leon, Darmanitan, Lechonk, Heatmore, and a Skull Villain.
Alright. Bungus, Nosepass, Litwick, Audino,
Ooh, that's for me.
Lapras, Manasquin, Gumshoos, Yungoos, Dratini, and Darkrai. Funny that we got Gumshoos than Yungoos.
Funny, it's actually really hard. That Lapras, I think, is the only one we've seen, and the Umbreon, we've only seen one as well. It's as many packs as we've opened. There's really not that many duplicates, except for in the rare, of course. Dynamo, Sunskit, Darmaka, Faroki, Armorage, Among Us, Seismitoad, Nosepass, King Gambit, Entei Hollow Rare. All right, you're on your last pack?
Yeah, I'm on my last pack.
Oh, all right.
Alright. Froakie, Bounsweet, Vulpix. That's your last pack. Dragonair, Amarok, Amoonguss, Finzin, Houndour, and Toxtricity. For some reason, I thought that was a golden Toxtricity for a minute. Last pack.
All right, here's the last pack here for us today, and then we'll do a recap of everything we pulled. Zigzagoon, Scyther, Meltan, Charcadet, Dartrix, Frogadier, Stunfisk, Palafan. Ooh! Illustration rare of the Houndour. Look, there's a bunch of them. It's like a Foster.
I really like that one.
Yeah, it is a really cool card. Dark Sizer. What a great pack to end on. So, we have got the Houndour, Miraidon EX, Totoscroll EX, Poppy, Greedent, Ninetales, Vespiquen EX, Lechonk, Pidgeot EX, Reverum EX, Absol EX, and the Gold Charizard. That's crazy. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching this opening. As I said, we have these available for pre-order on dxgamesllc.com for these booster display boxes, as well as we have a couple of ETBs left available for pre-order as well. So feel free to go online, dxgamesllc.com, and put in those orders so we can get them out to you as early as next week, Friday. And then if you guys actually like this, please subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell because we're going to be opening another Obsidian Flames ETB so you guys can see that promo card that's in there. That's awesome, Charmander.
And like the video if you love Charizard too.
Awesome. Thanks for watching.